G'day guys, Alex Ryan here, and if you're looking to start a business on Amazon and you're thinking of selling some sort of electronics on Amazon, well, think again. This is a little, it's actually called a drop cam, and it's big in America. It's not that big over here in Australia, but it's big in America, and essentially it's like a smart home device. So it connects to your Wi-Fi and it's motion activated. So when someone walks in the room, it actually recognizes the face, it does visual recognition, and it tells you who's just walked in the office. If your dog walks in, it actually tells you your dog's just walked in the office. Like, it does incredible things. Now this device, you see them sold on Amazon, right? But if you're looking to sell on Amazon and you're looking to sell some sort of fancy schmancy, I call this, I'm very technical in my terminology, right? Fancy schmancy, fancy pants technology, then if this is your first product, I would tell you to think again. And the reason why, and I say this with the most utmost confidence, is and respect also, but your first product should be a much simpler product. It should be a product where not a lot can go wrong with it, and a very simple, basic product. So for example, if you're bringing in men's board shorts or men's shorts, like swimming shorts, right? What's the worst thing that can go wrong, right? Will your board shorts explode when you plug it into electricity? No. Right? Is it batteries included? No, right? The worst thing that could possibly go wrong is it's missing a seam, or it's missing a thread or something, right? It's not going to cause any damage apart from maybe falling apart and, embarrassing you at the local pool, right? But that's it. Whereas electronics, if you're thinking of bringing in electronics and it's your first product and you have zero experience, don't do it. Just don't do it, all right? And like I said, guys, I say this with utmost respect. Some people are like, I want to do electronics. I want to do electric skateboards. I want to do electric scooters. I want to do this and that and that. And it's like anything electrical, unless it's really basic electrical stuff, then steer away just for your first product, right? Later on, sorry, did you see that? Later on, you can go in electronics later on, right? You can actually do electronics later on, like maybe your third or your fourth product. Go ahead, knock yourself out. But for your first product, you want to be able to do something basic, right? And there's a lot of basic stuff out there. You've got utensils, you've got household items, you've got mugs, you've got cookware, right? That's just in the kitchen department. Then you've got personal stuff, you've got fitness equipment, you've got this and that. So there's so many different niches out there, guys. So many opportunities that have much simpler products that won't explode, they won't blow open, they won't do anything like that, all right? And and you want to steer away from complicated products for your first product. Now, guys, if you're looking to get started on Amazon and you need some help, if your biggest challenge right now is finding hot products, is actually getting something started or connecting with quality suppliers, then connect with us, guys. We've got a free video at our website. We've got a free 10-part video program. Plus, we're doing a special promotion this month only. All right, so check the link below. This month only, we're doing a special promotion where you can access my course at an amazing price, and basically the cost of a cup of coffee a day. That's essentially it. All right. So please like, comment, and share. And hopefully I'll see you on future video, guys. And don't forget, we actually are doing a live training also this year on the Gold Coast. So join us for that. I think it's only a few months away, right? Yeah, I think it's a few months away. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Have an awesome day, and to your Amazon success. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.